Hello, everyone. Thank you very much for inviting me. I'm super glad to be here and very excited to talk with you guys. A few months ago, we saw a very great trend that was very unexpected for us. We saw that one of our emerging markets is actually Philippines. And it's one of the emerging markets even in Southeast Asia when in people that are using Formaloo. And I want to talk with you on why that is happening. So right now, as you know, we have a lot of software needs in the world, but we don't have enough software developers. There is more software needed in the world than there are software developers in the world. So no-code industry and creating software without having to code, without to develop it via coding is very growing. And it's one of the top and fastest growing markets in the world. We saw many developers and many enthusiastic business developers trying to develop their software, their solution via no-code platform, such as Formaloo and other platforms. We saw huge growth in our number of community members from Philippines and other South Asian markets who are using now Formaloo for creating their no-code solutions. The great thing is that when you combine the power of different no-code platforms and you put it together, you can create anything that you can imagine without having to code or without having to spend a lot of time in it. One of our mottos here in Formaloo is start now, go live today. You have to go from idea to execution in no time. And it's happening all over the world. More than 40% of all websites that you see are created with no-code solutions like WordPress, Webflow, and different solutions. More than 100,000 online stores are operating under Shopify, and no one coded that. You can create beautiful mobile applications with tools like Bubble. You can create workflow automation and connect two different software with tools like Zapier, Make, Integrately, and all other tools. That wasn't possible a few years ago. You had to code to create something very powerful. And now you can manage everything in your business with different no-code solutions. Now, for example, you can create an online form without coding, an online business applications like a HR portal, a custom CRM, a dashboard, and anything that you can imagine for tools like Formaloo. You don't need to be a developer or data scientist to do that. And you can do it with hundreds of templates that are provided. So you don't start from zero. You are working from every template that is made by thousands of community members just like you. You can create your own solution, share it with each other, collaborate, and create something more powerful with help of other community members. That's one of the reasons why Southeast Asia, especially Philippines, is growing in the no-code industry. What we saw was that these communities are very community-driven. They like to talk with each other, they like to work with each other, and they like to help each other. They want to make every solution better by helping each other, help them with tutorials, help another community members learning something new, connecting two different products, and anything like that. And that's why we have a large amount of no-code developers in Philippines and in Indonesia, in India, and in Singapore, especially. This shows us that the future of no-code industry, which is a multi-billion-dollar industry, is great in Southeast Asia, especially in Philippines. This can show us that millions of developers in the next generation of developers will be from Philippines. And they will create powerful solutions even without coding. Coding and no-code solutions goes hand to hand. They help each other. Right now, for example, developers using tools like Formaloo or Retool to create infrastructures much faster than before. They are creating tools in a fraction of the time, and they are reducing their time of development by 80% or 90%. So if you are interested in creating software solutions, whether you are a developer or you don't want to learn how to code, you can use no-code collaboration platform to achieve your goals. You can create your own website for your clients, mobile applications, database tools, any workflow systems, anything that you want at the fraction of the time, at the fraction of the cost. And that's the future of software development. Because again, we need more software in the world that we have software developers today. And software is eating the world. Everyone needs their dedicated software, their dedicated solution. And no-code developers, just like you, can provide those solutions and become more influential in today's world of technology. I hope tools like Formaloo and myself and our team can help in a very small way to make that happen. That's why we are dedicating a strong team dedicated to Southeast Asia to help you guys achieve your goals. We are providing tutorials, systems, and customizations that no-code developers need to provide for their clients and for their own teams right inside the market. And if you need any more help, if you need anything, please get in touch with us, and we are more than happy to help. Once again, I want to emphasize that for being a great no-code developer, you need to work with all the no-code developer solutions together, because then you can see the full power of a system that was impossible just a few years ago. When you bring together Formaloo, Zapier, Google Sheet, Retool, Notion, and all of these solutions together, you can create something unimaginable. Thank you very much. Hope you have a great conference and hope we can help in a small way. Have a great day.